Hi, this is Dave here at the Hobby Habit, and today we get to open the first delivery, the show-off box of the new TRX-4 from Traxxas. They will retail for $340 when we get them in. Should be in the next week or two. So let's pop into the box and see what we got. Got to rip the covering off, always fun. You know, it is like Christmas here some days. We'll leave that on. We'll just go for the end here. So what do we got in here? We've got the 2-channel radio, the 2.4 Traxxas radio. It is just a 2-channel. They've taken a lot of the extra stuff out of the TRX-4. We pull this guy out. This is a blue one. Ooh, looks pretty cool. Does have the portal axles. It is a locked differentials, front and rear, so you don't have the locking. Let's pull the body clips off, take the body off. Take the body out of the bag because we are going to show this one off. Cool blue body. Inside you've got brushed motor 550, all your electronics. Battery sits up there. Looks a lot like the old Defender, but it is just a straight crawler. That's what we've got today. Available soon at the Hobby Habit. They will be in color. There will be a blue one and a red one. So come in and check this one out and be ready for when they get here.